Like every other mechanical tool, you need to maintain your Singer sewing machine too. It's not so difficult. In this video I will tell you how to oil it and how to maintain a Singer 191. Everything metal on metal that moves, hinges or, well, works can use oil once in a while. In the manual you can find pictures of what and where to oil. Most places are accessible, like behind the faceplate. As stated before, does anything metal makes contact with another metal part, give it 1 drop of oil. On the rear of the machine there is an inspection plate. Take a look behind the plate and give it some oil. Tilt the machine and look underneath. You can turn the balance wheel in order to see things move. It tells you what to oil. For illustration purposes I oiled something but not everything. Some places are not accessible. Singer has some holes everywhere on the machine. Deposit 1 drop of oil in each of them. Take a look in the manual for more support. Some machines are very easy to maintain. Being somewhat similar to the class 15, this 191 is very easy to work on too. Like the shuttle race, you can open it by opening the latch in front of it. Remove the half moon shaped race section, clean everything and give it some oil too. And now reassemble it. Of course you can look beneath the throat plate too. Remove anything that doesn't belong there. It is never a bad idea to open and inspect the machine. If needed, take some photos as easy reference. Good luck and don't forget to watch the longer video with more information on this vintage Singer.